And the care and maintenance of these curls, we just want to keep them moisturized. We want to keep enough moisture on these ends that they don't tangle. Now this is kind of the fuzzy look. That's the identity of the style, but you can still rake your finger through. It still feels soft, but you'll know when you start to gather some wear and tear because it's going to get gummy and sticky, and the frizziness is going to get roughed up. It's going to feel rough and it's going to catch on your fingers. So my solution to this and how I'll be maintaining my Twix styles is by using the Simply Stylin Light Silk Silicone Spray. You've heard me talk about this a lot. I am a rep for the company. All the links and things will be below. If you decide to purchase this, use my code TAZS for 25% off. And it's just that I love a product I can stand behind. Now, a little goes a long way. This is a full 4-ounce bottle, and honestly, I just put a little bit in my hand and scrunch it into the ends every so often. Depends on how often I'm wearing the style. It also helps detangle. But on a style like this, you want to stay away from brushing it. Brushing it is just going to deconstruct everything. It's going to be a big frizz ball. You can get that back. You can get the original texture back by squirting some water, scrunching it, allowing it to dry. So this is going to do a number of things. So we talked about how it's going to help preserve the ends against some of the friction. A long style like this is going to drag against the clothing. It's really gonna, you're gonna see wear and tear in the areas of friction for sure. So this will help protect it. Now, no product is going to make your wig last forever. Unfortunately, if they could come out with that, oh, please, somebody invent that. But just like a top, anything made out of materials, anything made out of nylons and cottons and things, it's gonna wear and tear. It's gonna eventually be unusable. Same thing with wigs, right? So the other reason that I love this is that it helps define the curl. So I just take a little bit and I isolate the little curl that I want, and I apply this, and it helps the strands stick together, and it keeps it very defined. I love that about this. So I use this to style my wigs as well. The other thing it does, it kind of revives the color. Sometimes when hair can look a little bit dry, you can add a little bit of this silicone and it will make that color be a little more vivid. It's kind of like, I always like to compare it to right after a rainfall, all the colors on the leaves and the flowers and things, they just look so bright and brilliant. It's because they're a little bit wet, right? So I think this silicone can be used for a lot of reasons. So I am giving away 2 bottles of this today, 2 separate contests, okay? Below this video, you will find a Rafflecopter link. Locate the link, click on it. All you have to do is enter your email address. Please use the email address that I can contact you on should you be the winner. I've had so many winners go unrecognized just because they didn't give me an email that they check often. So give me an email that you check often. This is not solicitation, it's just for this contest. Leave that email address. In a week, I'll go ahead and draw the winners. I'll draw 2 winners, one bottle each. And I will use the same pool of entries to draw both winners, so only enter 1 time. So let's do a contest on one of my favorite products to preserve my wigs. Thanks everybody for joining me today. We'll see you soon on TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.